Huh? What is up, guys? It's your boys. We're about to do a nice little trail here. Always work hard, always grind. We're about to, work hard, you're going to succeed.
Put it in.
So,
going up to the knob real quick. We're gonna go all the way up to the knob. We're gonna grind all the way there, all the way to the knob.
You work hard, you will achieve your goals. And the view at the top is better than the view at the bottom. Yeah, we're gonna do this.
Grind. Not good. Man, see, look at this right here. That's the result of a forest fire. That right there. Right there. Forest fires. That right there, that's what can happen.
Guys, okay, for real though, everywhere you go, make sure you're carrying a fire extinguisher and a bucket of water to make sure a tragedy like this never happens again.
No,
shut it off. Shut it off.
This is it. Amen.
Yeah! Whoa! You gotta get to the top. You gotta get to the top. Hey, we ain't never getting to the top if you don't start.
And never stop grinding. Never stop grinding.
Hey man, the grind never stops. 24/7 grind, everyday grind, rise and grind.
Yeah, never stop working.
Good. I think we found a native.
Pick it up.
What is this?
Oh my god.
Oh shoot. Gotta check this out.
Dude,
look at that. That's insane. If you make the right noise, I hear you can actually summon one of the locals' favorite creatures.
Sure. Sure.
Ew! Ew! Boo!
Oh shoot! Oh my god. Just get out of here.
Wow. Now that's what I call a palm tree.
No, don't eat it, please. Don't.
Why? Oh shoot, man! I got a swim right here.
All right, guys. So basically, this is just our your average swimming hole. Let's go ahead and check the. Oh my God, that is such a nice temperature. See, guys, you can never get to the top if you don't start from the bottom. So we're gonna hit this right here. We're gonna go. Oh.
So guys, we're on that grind. 4.1 miles, some slight. We're trying to get to the top.
We're getting to the knob, boys.
Man, we're trying to grasp that knob. We're trying to get to that knob.
Off goes the weasel.
Yeah, top goes the weasel. So 4.1 miles. We gotta get on that grind. We gotta speed it up. We gotta hurry up. We gotta bump it up from about 1 gallon per minute to about 3 meters per second. So
Yeah, probably.
maybe
a few liters.
Yeah, throw in some volts. Get some wattage up in there. That's just how the cookie crumbles, boys.
500 lumens.
Hey, you know what they say? Like, if you start from the bottom, sometimes it just takes a village.
Slab. Pretty slobular.
I think I get away.
Wow, now that's what I call a slithery snake.
No, stop.
Wow, that's one hanging rock. Make a wish. Rest in peace, my boy Taryn.
Hey man, not everyone got what it takes to be to the top.
Rest in peace, those lost souls, baby. Come on.
Man, we gonna grind it.
Top boys!
Is that it? That's dumb.
Some people say the natives have left some hieroglyphics on the rocks.
If I break my foot while we're hiking, by the way, I'm relying on you to magically heal me.
You don't go up in there.
Wow, look, we finally made it, guys. I always tell you to chase your dreams. Always work hard. You know, you can do it. I believe in you. I do. Me. Look at this view. You think you can get up here without hard work? No, you can't. You got always put in your best, dude. Always put in your best. Like, look at him. He's putting in his work. I like it, dude.
Yeah.
Yo guys, thanks for watching. We had a really great time. Just remember to stay grinding, stay working, work hard, stay grinding. You know, always be your best, always do your best. Work hard, stay grinding, achieve your goals, and that's how you be successful. That's how you stay grinding and do work hard.
And work hard. Thanks for watching, guys.
Also, don't forget to stay until the end of the video and hear about our
Giveaway.
Okay guys, if you want to have a chance to win one of 5 free copies of Fortnite, you gotta like, comment with your favorite candle scent, and
Mine's pine. My favorite candle scent is pine.
I like pine too.
Fresh burp. Come on.
Fresh burp, baby.